Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Image Wash Products, everyone's favorite truck wash soaps. Tribotex, make your engine last longer. Blue Ridge Overland Gear, reclaim your journey. And by Dragonfire Tools, industrial workbenches with integrated storage.
On previous episodes of Motorhead Garage, we've seen Gabe Goldberg and how he became a customer here at NHOU Protective Coatings. Well, he liked the company so much, he decided to become a part of it.
I had no idea that it would take just an hour to do my vehicle, so I really kind of settled in. And while I was sitting down, a guy walked through the room, and I said, "This place is really amazing." I could tell he worked here. He had the NHOU shirt on. And he said, "What do you do?" And I thought he was going to hire me to spray cars. And I said, "Well, I'm in marketing." And he said, "Well, what kind of marketing?" He says, "I'm Joe. I'm the owner of this place." Well, he's Joe. He's the founder of it. He's the guy who formulates everything. He's the guy. And we talked for about 3 hours in his office that day, and he blew my mind. I work for much larger companies doing kind of big projects and branding and kind of household brand name stuff. And I don't have any smaller local clients like this, but once I walked out of talking with Joe for 3 hours, I thought, this is it. I am going to work with this guy. And I called my design partner, Kay, in New York, and I said, "You're going to think this is crazy, but this guy is completely onto something, and we're going to work with him." So it's been about 3 years now. I do a lot of the marketing around here, a lot of the label design with my partner, Kay, and we're really just elevating the brand every opportunity we get so that the rest of the brand has that same feeling that you get when you walk into this waiting room, that this is a really high-end premium product. And one thing I've learned from working with Joe is that the product is only as good as the application. So you really, really do care who's doing that application, which I think is why so many people, like my friend Wayne, will drive that 6 hours, 8 hours. There's people who come up here, they've driven 10 hours through the night, they stay in a hotel just to get it done here at NHOU because they know it's being done right.
You can find out more about NHOU Protective Coatings and why Gabe liked it so much that he became part of the company. Go to NHOIlUndercoating.com. When you go to DragonfireTools.com, you're going to find all kinds of different workbench models to suit your needs and your space. Lou, here's one of your 7-foot models. Walk us through this one.
So this is our 7-foot Midnight Pro Series 12-drawer workbench. And as you can see, we have an open door cabinet on either end with a fully adjustable shelf that you can make whatever height you want.
And how much weight is that shelf going to hold?
It'll hold up to 150 pounds on that shelf. As far as construction goes, we also have a 14-gauge 304 stainless steel top on here, 16-gauge galvanized steel drawer bodies, 14-gauge powder-coated drawer fronts, and a fully 14-gauge tubular steel welded frame.
How important was quality when you set out to design your workbenches?
Well, we knew that not only homeowners, but professionals were going to be using these. So being able to use these on a day in and day out basis, that's how they were designed with that in mind.
What are some of the things the pros love about Dragonfire Tools workbenches?
Well, for one, the affordability. Number two, as you mentioned, the quality. This is something that's going to stand the test of time, whether you're a professional in a shop or a dealership or an auto body shop, or whether you're a homeowner.
And a feature that the pros like, I know as well, is the locking features. And folks at home too, you've got your tools out in your garage. Someone can get in there and take them. So talk about the locks and how tough they are.
The locks on this workbench, you can lock each individual bay. So a lot of toolboxes out there, you have one lock, which means the entire thing's locked. So a lot of professionals, they want to be able to keep their specialty tools locked up while still having access to their regular daily tools. And so we've allowed for that by having individual locks for each bay and each cabinet.
I talked about variety of workbenches you have on the website. What if I can't decide?
All you need to do is give us a call and we'll be able to work with you based upon the application that you're going to be using the workbench in. Whether you're a diesel mechanic or an auto body detailer, we're going to be able to fit based upon the type of tooling that you're going to be putting in the workbench.
Well, if you're a hobbyist or you're a pro, DragonfireTools.com has the workbench that's going to suit your needs. Find them at DragonfireTools.com, and there is a discount code for Motorhead Garage viewers. Type in Motorhead to get free shipping and a discount. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, and we do this every week, so we hope you join us once again next week. In the meantime, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram to see what's going on here at our studio. Until next time, we will see you. Have a great week.